What to do when the grapes are blooming and the crop is starting to grow. Removing unwanted leaves. Purpose: ensure sunlight reaches the fruit. Improve internal air circulation. Reduce excess water, evaporation. Improve fruit, sweetness and color, and ripening. When to do it. After flowering. When the fruit buds are starting to grow. Morning or evening, not in the sun. How to do it. Only the lower and inner leaves around the fruit are removed. It is enough to leave 2 to 3 main leaves around each whorl. Do not completely bare the fruit. The fruit without leaves can get sunburn. What leaves to remove? Thick leaves located inside, not exposed to the sun. Yellowed, dried, or diseased leaves at the bottom. Large leaves blocking the fruit. Why is air circulation important? Air circulation between the grapes reduces problems with diseases. Powdery mildew, rot, powdery mildew. Air circulation reduces humidity, which stops fungal diseases. Note: do not remove too many leaves. This weakens the plant. You can check every week, 10 days, and remove a little more leaves. As a result, you will get sweeter, more colorful, and healthier fruits. Less disease. More yield.